So this is my beautiful place. My town is Esmeraldas. Esmeraldas, it's so beautiful. You can visit many beaches like this one I am showing now. This is like a paradise. So you are to visit these beautiful places. There are many hotels where you can stay and many restaurants. Something that you can see is the culture. So if you come to Esmeraldas, you should come to see the different dancing cultures like this one. Another thing very interesting that Esmeraldas has is the delicious food. So there are typical dishes you should eat and taste. Some people indeed say that Esmeralda has the best food in Ecuador. But of course, Esmeralda now is taking some problems because there are a lot of people who hurt others. So you gotta be careful when you come here and not be alone on the street unless you see policemen or you can walk with another person.